In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a PDF-A format using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process ensures your documents are preserved for the long term, adhering to a standardized format so you can rest easy knowing they'll open correctly years from now. First, let's start by making sure you've got Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed and ready to go. If you're set, open the software and load the PDF file you wish to convert. You'll see your document displayed within the main workspace of Acrobat Pro DC. Now we need to head towards the task toolbar, which you'll find at the upper left or possibly docked on the right side, depending on your layout settings. There, look for the All Tools menu, a comprehensive list of all the functionalities Acrobat offers. From this list, identify and select the Apply PDF Standards function. This step is crucial because it takes us to the specific feature we need to convert your regular PDF into the PDF-A format. You might notice several other standards options, but for the purpose of this conversion, we'll focus on PDF-A, which is specialized for archiving. Once you've opened the Apply PDF Standards section, you'll see an option labeled Save as PDF-A. Click on this option to proceed. PDF-A is an ISO standardized version of PDF primarily used for the digital preservation of electronic documents, so Acrobat Pro DC will ensure your file complies with these standards during this conversion. This might take a few moments as Acrobat verifies and optimizes the file to meet compliance criteria. Once the conversion process is complete, the final step involves saving your newly created PDF-A. A dialog box will prompt you to choose the location where you'd like to save your file. Take a moment to decide on a folder or drive where the file will be easily accessible in the future. You wouldn't want to misplace an important file like this. Before saving, you might want to rename your document, perhaps adding a note in the file name indicating it's a PDF-A. This can be helpful for quick identification, especially when working with a multitude of files. Once you're all set, simply hit Save, and your document will be archived in the specified location as a PDF-A file. And there you have it, a permanent, secure and standardized version of your original document, neatly tucked away for future use. Remember, the PDF-A format is all about reliability and longevity, ensuring your documents remain as accessible tomorrow as they are today. Thanks for watching, and happy archiving.